everyone? Welcome back to the Horsepower Enthusiast YouTube channel. We are down here in the garage with the Jetta again. The Jetta has just been sitting pretty much for the last couple of months. Since we did the Haltech install, I wasn't able to make it down to PFI speed because of all the quarantine stuff that they were doing and what everyone's doing. So that's how that's running. Jetta's still running good though, but it was kind of a blessing in disguise because we were just going to go there with the stock engine on the BorgWarner S257 turbo, and that would have been cool. Probably could have made about 400 or 500 horsepower, but now I'm super excited because my new engine is finally dropped off. It's at Precision Race Engines. Dan's going to hook it up, take real good care of it. That engine's going to make a lot of power, but with that new built engine, we're going to need something else. And I have that right here in this box. So if you haven't guessed it already, we got a bigger turbo for the Jetta. I'm super pumped. My buddy at SB Parts Direct hooked me up, got me a really good price on this turbo. So let's dive right into it. This one there's a part number for it. It's a 300 series. The turbo is actually a S364 SXE. It's the 64.4 millimeter wheel, or compressor wheel, with a 76 millimeter Inconel turbine wheel. And then I went with their 91 T4 AR exhaust housing. This is the old exhaust housing. This is the 1.22 AR for the 200 frame. And the new one is actually about the same size as this one, but I just kept this one because when I go to Chuck's later today, I'm gonna have him weld a 3-inch V-band on the new one, and then we're gonna do the same thing with the wastegate, so he can just match the fitment. So hopefully we don't have to change the exhaust too much. See, there's the 3-inch V-band for the new housing. Alrighty, let's dive into getting this thing out. Pretty much just looks like a turbine housing. There it is. You can see it's pretty similar in size, so I think it's going to fit pretty good with what we have. So compared to this is the 1.22 for the 200 series, and this is the 91 for the 300 frame turbo. So about the same size. I think the fit will work well. These turbos come with a really weird flange on them. It's called a Marmon flange. It's not, I don't know. We're cutting that off, and then we're doing a V-band just like that. So super excited about this. Taking this over to Chuck's later today so he can hack this off, drill the hole here, and weld my new wastegate flange onto there also. So we throw this thing back in the bag because it's not very exciting. We get the really exciting box. Now for the meat and potatoes. This thing is so awesome. If any of you guys need BorgWarner turbos like this, like I said before, message me and I can get in contact with Mike, or message him on Facebook or go on his website, SB Parts Direct. He got me an amazing price on this turbo. It's just unbeatable. Paperwork. There we go. This thing is going to be very large for the Jetta. There it is. So excited. This turbo, this is the 64.4 millimeter billet compressor wheel. It's a 4-inch inlet, and then it has a 2.5-inch outlet, which works really good because my intercooler plumbing is all 2.5. This thing is just it's way bigger than the other turbo was. I'm kind of surprised. I really hope it fits. And then here's the exhaust wheel. Thing looks amazing. Don't know much else to say about it, but I am extremely pumped. I really want to get this thing in the car and running before we swap to the new engine, because then we can know that everything with this new turbo setup is going to work when we put the built engine in. The built engine should be done in a month or two. I know Dan's really busy at Precision Race Engines, so I guess I'm not going to rush quality, that's for sure. So, but I hope you guys are as excited as I am for this turbo. This thing is going to make all the boost. Our goal of 700 wheel horsepower is looking a lot more in the ballpark now. So I think I'm gonna get these things boxed back up quick, and then I guess I'll talk to you after that. Beautiful. It's huge. I look at it in reference to the taillight. It's huge. Yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update on what's going on with the car, since I haven't made a video in a couple weeks, but it's all coming together now. We will definitely be going to PFI speed to get a tune-up in this thing, but everything happens for a reason. We were going to go there with the stock engine, now we're going to go there with the built engine. A few months time, so the setup's going to be a lot rowdier. Maybe he'll even make a video about the car when it's on the dyno. I don't know, I'm super pumped. Oh, and I might have another huge surprise, not counting the big turbo, not counting the built engine, but another huge surprise for this car. So that'll be coming in a future video when said parts arrive, so we can make a video about it. But that's probably gonna do it for this time. If you guys enjoyed this update, make sure you give it a like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. But anyways, we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.